Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create your own coloring book on Canva. So let's start. First, open your Google account and type Canva. Once you open it, click on Canva website and then log in on your Canva. Now I can click on customize size for you and then type coloring books. After this, I can choose the custom size of coloring book 14.8 into 21 cm. So this type of dashboard appear in front of us. Now I can choose designs. First one is Halloween. Now you can see automatically it can be prepared for us. You can download it, edit it. Now I can show you more designs of coloring and click on apply all pages. Now 53 pages automatically prepare. It's super quick and super productive tool. You can make easily your own coloring book. Now you can see you can print it and share it with your child. It's from A to Z. Now I can show you how you can edit your coloring book. So I can click on a picture, I want to remove it, so I remove it. Now I want to change the text, so I change it from zipper to zip. I can type zip and save. So you can see you can customize it according to your need. You can also change its font size. I can change it. Which one you like, you can change it. So I can show you more. If you like Disney books, Disney princess coloring books, so can type Disney princess and various templates are appear on there. So I can like it fairy tales. So this is in front of you. Now you've seen it's a fabulous, awesome coloring book prepared. And one more thing, you can sell it online. You can share it with your loved ones and you can download it easily. It's a super doll. If you want to change the position of the diagram. Now I want to download it, so I click on share, download. I download it in PDF standards. Thanks for watching.